Welcome back now to Prime Time Sports Saturday. Chairman of the JFF Technical Committee, Rudolph Speed, says there are some members of the senior Reggae Girlz team who must look into themselves if the team is to move past the latest disagreements between players and coach. It's still unclear if Vin Blaine will continue at the helm as head coach of the senior Reggae Girlz, despite getting the green light to continue by his employers. Blaine's position seemingly became untenable after 20 members of the squad signed a document questioning his coaching style and methods. But the technical committee, led by Rudolph Speed, saw no reason for Blaine's dismissal and recommended that he remain in the post to the executive. But while Blaine promised to do the best thing in the interest of the program, Speed, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, is questioning the attitude of some of the players.
We have heard of the unprofessionalism of senior players, which should have been dealt with too, which wasn't dealt with.
Senior players within this campaign, there's been unprofessionalism from senior players.
Yes.
And it wasn't dealt with. Why?
And that is one of the questions we asked the coach, and we got the answer. I don't want to bring it out because you guys don't really have that.
Speed went further to say that he knew of indiscipline within the camp that couldn't have happened elsewhere.
And they should also account for that. They should look into themselves because that behavior that they have exhibited, wherever they are playing, either college or club, they know that is unknown.
TVJ Sports understands that a member of the squad left on the eve of the match against the Dominican Republic and didn't return until match day at Sabina Park.
I've heard the conversation. There's nothing that I have that is concrete to say what took place.
And you heard the name and you heard the story. Have you said anything to the coach or have you said anything to the player?
We are having our discussions internally, Brian. And as soon as we are concluded on these discussions, the public will know.
JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint says any such action is not accepted by the Federation.
If it's something that needs disciplinary action, then it's something that I support.
Will you investigate it?
We will definitely do that.
And will you take action?
I don't know where the investigation will lead to.
The Reggae Girlz are now in the final round of World Cup qualifiers, where they'll take on hosts Mexico, Haiti, and the United States in Group A.